Hello dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Arch channel.
Infinity Arch, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello dear viewers, I'm Shanta. Today I'm telling about this picture. You can see here two persons, a boy and a girl. I think they are so nice, and the girl is so beautiful, and the girl has a flower, has some flower. I think that was rose, and I can see a car behind she, and I can see some green scenery behind them, and the girl dress is so nice, I can see, and the hair of the girl is white.
Hi viewers, do you want to overcome your problems of English? Please buy this book. The name of this book is Douglas Communicative English. It will help you to overcome all kinds of problems to be a great speaker. Okay dear, bye.
Hello guys, good morning, nice to meet you. Today I will discuss this photo, and we can see a smart girl and her name is Johanna Amrin. She is very smart girl, and she is a Bangladeshi person. She stand a field, we can see, and she is very beautiful girl.
Hi viewers, I'm Shajjad. Let me show you something interesting. So let's take a look at this picture, this photo. Do you see this?
Yes.
First, this is my mom. Second, do you recognize this boy, this cute boy? This is me. And next, on my back, this is my aunt. First, my mom. It's a sad thing for me. When I was only 12 years old, my mom died. He was very lovely mom for me, and every moment I missed him. When I lost her. When I was plus 6. One day she got this photo was taken before 20 years ago, and it was taken this the new market, and that time there was a pond, but there is no pond now. This pond are now fill up by market. And next, this is my aunt, and she is a very good girl, and she studied in Shikdar Medical College. Now she is in final year, and she has 2 cute babies, and they are very lovely. And when I saw this photo, this picture, I memorize my memory, and that gives me much better feel, and also give me pain, cause this is my mom.
Hello viewers, good morning. Nice to meet you. I am Nafis Iqbal. Welcome to our photo discussing class. And here you can say my family photo. First of all, here is my father. His name is Sabur Ali, and he is a businessman. And here you can second man, a little boy. and I am the little boy, very cute. When I am very small, this picture picked, and here you can see my brother. My brother looks very young.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Tayyip Hassan. Today I am telling about this photo picture. So let's start it. Look, she's a very beautiful girl, you see, and his name is Miss Simi, and this model is sponsored by Studio Mayasar. And Bangladeshi people are very beautiful, you know.